off to the north, colder air lurks, and it's heading southward. And again, we'll get that feel in here later on tonight. Here's temperatures and futurecast going into the future. By noontime, again, temps in the low to mid 40s across the board. Here come those snow showers. This is about 3 o'clock. This is one model's depiction. Again, anywhere between 1 and 6. And here they go up through the Merrimack Valley, North Shore communities. You may see them. Not all of you will. They really fly through here, and once they do, check out the temperature. It's fallen down to below freezing already at 5 o'clock in the evening. By 10 o'clock, it's in the lower 20s and teens. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's single digits and teens, even into the Boston area. Again, we factor in that wind, and check out the wind chill forecast. This is 9:30 tonight. Already single digits to near 10 degrees, and oh my goodness, look at these numbers heading on toward tomorrow morning. This means business this cold, and I know a lot of kids are going back to school tomorrow on at least some schedule, be it hybrid or in person full. A lot of kids heading to school. Maybe you're heading to work. Keep that in mind. You want to bundle up in layers tomorrow as that frigid air continues coming southward. It's here for one day. High tomorrow in the upper 20s to near 30 degrees. That's well below the average of 45. But a recovery of sorts on into Tuesday, mostly bright, near 40 degrees, upper 40s to near 50 as we head towards St. Patrick's Day. And if we have a chance for any rain, a storm system comes close by Thursday, Friday. We'll keep an eye on that, but I don't think it should be a huge deal for us. Maybe just a few rain showers along the south coast.